Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on light, you just or theme, you just click on theme here. It's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on dark. So then here automatically here it's going to change with you here to dark mode on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.